Greetings, everyone. My name is Christopher Howell, and I love nature. Nature can be beautiful and dangerous all at once, with thrills and excitement around every corner. It's hard to deny its never-ending wonders and majesticness. Haha, look at me in the great outdoors. I'm sporting wood. No, I'm not riding on it. Remember, use it while you've got it. This dead tree is just one of many that I have to cut up. Whenever the wind blows, another tree falls, thus creating a never-ending cycle of the dead tree. Though the ant on this flower may seem harmless, it causes massive amounts of destruction to the trees, once more creating more work to do on my properties. Look at this colorful lizard on the tree. Because there was no protection from the lizard, my wife and I are now having a baby. A boy, to be exact. This fuzzy caterpillar and I both like to wear our hair in a mohawk style, and we both can be dangerous at times. Oh yeah. Yum, mushrooms. I love to eat mushrooms, sometimes for the taste and other times just to feel extra special. Look at these beautiful flowers. My wife loves flowers. As long as she gets them from time to time, it's all good. I like to think I'm pretty, but delicate, and definitely not perfect. Just like this butterfly. The barbs on this plant can prick you easily due to their sharpness. This reminds me of how much of a prick I can be on any given day. If you don't know me, well then you're simply not welcome. And that, my friends, is that.